Alright, so today we're gonna make some ginger beer, guys. So here I have quite a few amount of ginger right here, so I'm trying to use them up just before they go bad, because you know nothing don't last too long nowadays. So I have here some baking soda. And to this we're gonna add some vinegar as well. Now it would be nice to have like a small brush for this, but today I'm gonna improvise, yeah? This is the part that a lot of people might not like, but guess what? It's the part that keeps me going, right? If you have a food processor, it will be much easier for you guys, but I prefer to do it this way, okay? Alright, so I'll get some water. Alright, so we're gonna bring this to the flame. Alright guys, so to this we're gonna add the ginger, all of that ginger. Here I have some spice. I have a cinnamon stick and some cloves. Not too much, eh? You don't want to overpour it. And here I have some sugar, sweetened to your liking always, yeah? Alright, so now that everything is cool, guys, we're gonna strain it off. See that, guys? See how that look? Beautiful. So now time for some ice. See it? Alright, people. Nice glass of ginger beer. Sip and smile. Mm, nice. See that? Perfect amount of ginger. Not too sweet. Just right. Cheers.